What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of Budget Breaks. Today, we're looking at a pack, or should I say a box, of 2015-16 Donruss Basketball. How long ago was 2015-16, do you ask? Well, Kevin Durant was still in a Thunder uniform, if that tells you anything. The purpose of this show, of course, is to find the best values out there and see what I can find for that. This is an interesting thing because, as you can see, this is a retail exclusive here for Donruss, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this box, but what I am expecting is a good number of cards that will help towards building a complete set. There's a Signature Series. Let's see if I can get the little clearer there. Top NBA veterans and rookies. And then you can look for retail. Don't seem like that wants to show up, but what it says is you can look for retail exclusive hollow parallels numbered to 199, and then retail exclusive parallels including scoring kings, passing kings, and rebounding kings. So let's go ahead, open it up, take a look, see what we got in there. Being an Oklahoma City Thunder fan, as you can see, obviously the sight of Kevin Durant in a Thunder uniform is always a bit conflicting, but nothing that, I can't live with. Whole lot of cards in a very small box. But that's kind of the fun, isn't it? The more packs you get to open, the more fun it is. So let's start taking a look. Alright. First off, got a Brandon Wright, a Giannis Antetokounmpo, Andre Iguodala, which is the exact same camera shot as the previous Giannis. The rookies, Jonathan Simmons for the Spurs. A Terrence Ross. James Harden, Jeremy Lin, and Kobe Bryant. Yeah, I don't anticipate any hits at all, to be honest. If you notice on the box, it didn't even advertise any. So that's not something I should be expecting. Alex Lynn, Draymond Green, Mike Conley, the rookies Trey Lyles, Marcus Morris, Nene, Dion Waiters in a Thunder uniform. That should give you an idea of how old these cards are. And Paul Pierce. Tim Hardaway Jr., Rudy Gobert, Carmelo Anthony. Our first insert that's not the rookies, it's a Gordon Hayward Donruss Elite Extra Edition. Not a lot of description to that. These are pretty basic cards. I had never actually opened a package of these before, but you can tell right away how simple they are. Isaiah Canaan, J.J. Barea, Ryan Anderson, and Reggie Jackson. There's David West back in his ring-chasing days as a member of the Spurs. Yeah. You may have to trust me on that, I guess. There we go. Chase Budinger, Solomon Hill, Terry Rozier, Franchise Futures, Donruss Elite. Very basic, no real description as to why he falls into the Franchise Futures category. Chris Paul, Roy Hibbert, Tyreek Evans, and Zaza Pachulia. All right, we got a Dirk to open up this pack. Victor Oladipo. Let me get that to focus a little. Zach LaVine. Rated rookie, Frank Kaminsky. It's a little different than what we've seen so far. Patrick Patterson, current member of the Thunder. Andre Drummond. There's Kevin Durant. That is always tough to look at. Not as tough as Tyson Chandler apparently has it in this picture, though. And Omar Asik. Michael Carter-Williams, Jameer Nelson, Gary Harris, a rated rookie of Jordan Mickey, Jody Meeks, Paul George, another current member of the Thunder, Al Jefferson, and Jared Dudley. Andrew Wiggins, Costa Kufos. Oh, we may have something here. That is unexpected. Let's see if I can move that to the back here. I was actually not expecting any single hits out of this box, so anything would be a pleasant surprise. Jordan Clarkson, Monta Ellis, Quincy Pondexter, Bradley Beal, Costa Kufos, Josh Smith, and what do we have here? SSRS, I don't know what any of that means. This is a Laker. Robert Sacre, a Robert Sacre autograph. I did not anticipate that, so, I mean, not that Robert Sacre really has had much of an NBA career, but, you know, anytime you get an auto that you're not expecting, that's better than the alternative, so that's pretty cool. I honestly, there's literally no mention on the box of autographs, of memorabilia cards, so I just didn't anticipate finding any. DeMarcus Cousins, Grievous Vasquez, Manu Ginobili, an Elite Series of Chris Paul, Avery Bradley, Nick Stauskas, Serge Ibaka as a member of the Thunder. Once again, very old. And Georgie Dieng. I think that's how you pronounce that. I feel like I'm pretty decent with most player names, but some not so much. It took me a while to figure out how to get Antetokounmpo right each and every time, and, you know, he's one of the best players in the league. Jeff Teague, Kevin Martin, Mo Williams, the rookies of Christian Wood, who is somebody I have legitimately never heard of, DeAndre Jordan, Ben McLemore, Anthony Davis, and Vince Carter. So we're not really doubling up on players, which is good because I like building sets. That's really my key purpose in purchasing cards is to open the packs, which is fun in itself, and then to build the set. So far so good in that regard. You know, Wilson Chandler to get us started here. Brandon Knight, Iman Shumpert, Raul Neto, the rookies, Hollis Thompson, Damari Carroll, Al-Farouq Aminu, and Ty Lawson. All right. Harrison Barnes, Hassan Whiteside, Goran Dragic. That's cool. Scoring Kings, Larry Bird. Got a totally different texture than the rest of the cards. It actually feels like a kind of a pricey card as opposed to the rest of the set, which is very bottom basement, really, if you're being honest. This has a quality to it that the rest of them do not, so that's pretty neat. Kawhi Leonard, Rodney Stuckey, Bojan Bogdanovic, and Gerald Henderson. So each pack has some sort of insert in it, but in terms of rookie cards and the like, I don't think I've really gotten a single rookie card outside of the rookies. So not something you should be expecting with these. LaMarcus Aldridge, Tim Duncan, Al Horford, a extra edition of Marcus Smart, former Oklahoma State Cowboy, a George Hill, DeMar DeRozan, Drew Holiday, and Steven Adams. Ed Davis, Misra Teletovic, Markeith Morris, current former member of the Oklahoma City Thunder, Willie Cauley-Stein, rated rookie. I guess that's right. I did have a couple of rated rookies previously, so Willie Cauley-Stein falls into that. Randy Foye, Kyle Lowry, Nick Young, and Eric Gordon. Andrea Bargnani, Joe Johnson, Robert Covington, a Cliff Alexander rated rookie. Straight up, never heard of Cliff Alexander, so don't know if I'm just out of touch there. Julius Randle, John Wall, Pau Gasol, and Marcus Smart. So in terms of actual cards, this is a pretty good set. I mean, you have 24 packs at 8 cards a pack. I cannot do that math in my head off the top of my head, but all in all, I'm getting a ton of cards. So the value there at $17 for the box is pretty fantastic. Ricky Rubio, Rodney Hood, Anderson Varejao, and Oscar Robertson Elite Series. Just like the rest, pretty basic on the back. Russell Westbrook, Deron Williams, Rajon Rondo, and Darren Collison. Rudy Gay, Kyle Korver, a Scoring Kings, James Harden, career points per game, 19.7. There you go. That gives you an idea how old this is. James Harden was only averaging 19.7 points per game for his career. I assure you that it is much higher now. Well, and I got a Passing King, Steph Curry, right behind it. They were kind of stuck together. So I think that was probably a production error because these cards do not come to a package, and the Harden is numbered to 197 on top of that. So that's a pretty good pack, all things considered. Got the Passing Kings of Curry, and then you got the number to 197 Scoring King of Harden. So probably the best pack so far. Marcin Gortat, Nikola Mirotic, Luis Scola, and Kemba Walker. The fact that the Harden card was actually numbered makes me wonder if that was not a mistake, but either way, I'm happy to take it. All right, Jeff Green, Andrew Bogut, OJ Mayo, Rashid Vaughn, the rookies. My rookie cards out of this box have not been stellar. Cody Zeller, Tyler Zeller, the Zeller brothers back-to-back, David Lee, and Brooke Lopez. And then Robin Lopez, Marc Gasol, Kevin Garnett, Rondé Hollis Jefferson, the rookies. Not that that's an amazing get, but I have at least heard of him, so that is a plus in regards to the rookie cards in this box. Mike Dunleavy, Tony Parker, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, and Evan Turner. Man, I honestly thought Evan Turner was going to be an amazing NBA player, but that was not meant to be. A role player for sure. Trey Burke, Danny Green, Steph Curry, a franchise futures of Sam Decker, rookie. That was not to be, as Sam Decker is definitely not a member of the Houston Rockets at this point, so I guess he was not a franchise future. Kenneth Faried, Damian Lillard, Jimmy Butler, and Jarrett Jack. All right. Kyrie Irving, Jabari Parker, Gerald Green, a extra edition Bradley Beal, Chandler Parsons, Nicholas Batum, Tony Roten, and Lance Stevenson. 4 packs to go. Start off with Dwayne Wade, Elfrid Payton, Nerlens Noel, a current member of the Thunder, a rated rookie of Kelly Oubre Jr., another guy who has at least gets regular rotation minutes in an NBA team, Devin Harris, Wesley Matthews, Trevor Ariza, and Derrick Rose. Aaron Aflalo, Noah Vonleh, Mason Plumlee, a rated rookie of Nemanja Bjelica, also a guy getting regular minutes currently in the NBA, Terrence Jones, Otto Porter, Marco Bellinelli, and Brandon Jennings. Blake Griffin, Zach Randolph, Channing Frye, Paul Millsap, numbered to 199, I'm sorry. Looks like a red parallel of some kind. That's neat. Taj Gibson, Enes Kanter, Jeremy Lamb, and Brandon Bass. All right, last package. Jonas Valanciunas, JJ Redick, Dante Exum, Steph Curry Elite Series. Go along with the Passing Kings I got earlier. Here's Paul Millsap, which is identical to the numbered Paul Millsap. It's just the numbered one's a little bit shinier. To give you an idea of the quality of the 2015-16 Donruss basketball set. Tiago Splitter, Chris Bosh, and Thaddeus Young. So I got a giant stack of cards here, no duplicates, so that makes me feel pretty good in regards to set building. And then, as a surprise, I got the Sakurai autograph. It's not numbered or anything, but I was not anticipating even that. So all in all, pretty happy with this. $17 for that box, and I come away with what it has to be close to a complete set. A couple of number cards, an autograph. Honestly, I'm happy with that purchase. So if you get a chance to look at the 2015-16 Donruss, just go in knowing what you're looking at. Also, this was a retail box, so my expectations and yours as well should be pretty low. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I got another box of these that I'll be breaking sometime soon. Hopefully, I get just as lucky next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.